the month of April. That is something that we are dragging, and I can easily say in everyone's name on the Pacific Northwest. This is our 7th month into this cloudy and rainy weather. I can count on one hand how many times we have seen the sun, and April is the time when we are ready for some sunshine.
Into the blue sky and just waiting for a sign. They are certain of what awaits them when it all ends, but I don't know what.
I'm really looking forward to it when I can tinkering around in the garden, when the weather is permitting that.
Forgotten, like dust in the wind, or the top of the town that we are living in. Well, I don't know, how could I know what lies ahead of me? Days without water along the sun-soaked road. We crossed over borders to get where we are.
As I'm carrying on with the list of the things that I need to get done, I just can't believe to my eyes. I can't. It's snowing. Well, the good side of this weather, on the other hand, is to enjoy the warm food. Stocking up on colorful flowers and plants, and just taking care of indoor plants helps the situation as well. Also, the birthday flowers bring some color to the situation, so we can handle that a little bit better. This year I'm trying a new method to start the seeds, and I have to replant some of them, but there's another issue that is coming from all this darkness. Probably next year I need to buy a lamp, and just to provide more light to them, because they are very tall and narrow with small leaves. For next, I wanna move these up to the greenhouse so I can take care of them there. I'm just waiting for the rain to settle a little bit so I can walk up there without having my camera drenched in water. But for right now, I'm just going to move this shelf close to the window. Hopefully this spot will be a little bit more bright for the plants. Really enjoy the artichokes with some mayo. I think that is my favorite thing to pair with that. The things that can help me to get motivated when I don't want to do housework is just to create my own environment that I enjoy more, meaning of something like a warm tea and nice music, starting with easier tasks. I started to see a major shift in my mood once I decluttered my home. Cleaning is not a hard chore anymore as it used to be because I don't have to push the stuff around. So that is another thing that is motivating me to get things done on a regular basis. We are after a celebration of Easter and a birthday, so that shows in the kitchen.
Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but I just can't get my eyes off you. Maybe we will regret this, but tomorrow is another day. And I will do anything to get your love. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love, because it's on. Ooh, ooh, keep my fingers crossed. Oh yeah, it's on. Ooh, ooh, let's turn up the love. Might have been one too many. Should go home to my bed, sleep it off. But I can't stop believing you're the one I'ma be with tonight. So I will do anything.
Breaking up the cleanup with some snack, and I've been eating this a lot lately. It provides me with a great boost of energy and it keeps my stomach filled for a long time. Back to finishing up the cleaning in the kitchen.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
Bad. This is really bad. Eating some soup in a hope of the rain will disappear. Well, the rain is not going anywhere, so I'm just going to head up to the greenhouse. I'm going to prepare a snack, and I've been playing around a lot with the dates because it's a healthier of kind of sweet, and the peanut butter, I like that because that's something that fills up our stomach, and paired with some raw honey will definitely make a good combo for taste. And just to balance out all the smushy texture, I'm going to add some cocoa nibs on the top that will give the crunch. this time around the year when my mind is already out in the garden and we are looking forward to just being more outside and on the sunshine and just taking care of the plants. But I have to take care of some things inside and I want to get it out of the way, so I like to get things done in a deeper cleaning before the gardening season starts. So I know I'm not going to have time off for that, so one by one I'm going through the drawers if I need to declutter or clean it out. This drawer is getting messy because I have another drawer underneath where I have similar items, so I'm trying to gather them in one, and also I need to clean out the crumbs because this is under the oven. So that drawer is the catch-it-all. Few items that I have my back and forth with if I should keep or get rid of it, but on the end I use them, so maybe it's not this often, but I still go back to it time to time, so I'm going to keep them. I bought these boxes off of Amazon and I love the size of it, the shape of it, the function of it. It's easy to grab them and it has a lid, so it's going to be a great addition to my pantry. So I squeezed together all those jars because I just discovered I was wasting space with that kept them too airy, I would say. They had so much space between them, so now I was able to gain 2 more shelves that way, and I can just put all the miscellaneous things in there, like the powders that I like to use for baking and for smoothies. Finally, a little bit of a sunshine. Even my eyes got shocked a little bit. I got these boxes from, well, one is from Marshall's. That was a really good price. I think it was $16 or $19.99. And I've been on the hunt for these boxes for a very long time. I want to put some herbs in there. And then second one, I bought exactly the same from Mart, and I want to put those on the deck once this rainy season is over. Wherever you are watching this from, I hope you have a nicer weather. If not, I feel for you. I'm in the same boat with you. And let's just hope for a nicer season and some sunshine. And just to give you a little smile, here's some bloopers for you to enjoy. Is it recording? Okay, I've got the shot. Nope, I can't find the clothes. Find that. Oh, maybe that's blurry. Let's try again. Ah, that's it. Finally, I'm out of the laundry room